So we have a Waterway ProClean Plus filter, 150 gallon per minute filter. That union nut has cracked. There's a crack right here. It's not leaking it, but it's a good time to replace it. It's a 2.5 inch union nut, and actually I was able to find a split nut that actually you don't have to cut anything or glue anything. You just screw it in. It has two parts to it. It splits in half. So once you put it on, before putting it on, you can screw it in. We'll show this later. First, we're gonna remove the old nut. You may need a pair of pliers. It's tight. Very easy to remove. Just unscrew it. It's been leaking before, and there's some silicone grease and between the gasket to stop it, to seal it. So this is what you do. There are little pins, so pin goes into the hole. And same thing on the other side. Have to make sure it's kind of clicks. And now you screw in both sides using included screws. Once it's both halves are screwed in, so the split becomes one. You just thread it by hand, and it's actually 7-thread union. And I know some manufacturers make their proprietary threads, so you have to be careful not to misthread it. This is hand tied. You can tighten it using the channel locks, or you can use both hands maybe to tighten it by hand and see if it's not leaking. Now once it's tightened, we start pump. Air maybe some air in the filter, which there isn't, and check for any possible leaks. Come back later to it, make sure it's not leaking. And the old union you can leave, or you can cut it and remove it. I will include part number and link where I got it from in the description. Thank you for watching.